Hi friends, welcome to our channel Market Magics. Now we will be analyzing Bank Nifty for the tomorrow's trade, that is 9th of November 2021. So we will see it on larger time frame, that is daily time frame first of all. Now as per our previous discussion uh, in the video for 8th of November 2021, in the same way Bank Nifty has worked. We said that the Bank Nifty is weaker than the Nifty 50. In the same way, the Bank Nifty has given us the trade to the downside, and we have decided that below this level, below this one, this small inside candle, this level, we will be going for the bearish trade, that is put option with the half quantity, and we will initially get the targets of this level, and see this, it has touched the trend line. Means 100% our analysis worked. As per our analysis only we got the trade, and Bank Nifty was weaker than the it is Nifty 50. It has proven itself, but in the second half of the trading session, the Bank Nifty has reversed and given some pullback and closed above the CPR level, but still closed in the red. For tomorrow, now on the daily chart frame, on the daily chart you can see that there is a hammer pattern formed, but it has given the closing above the daily CPR levels. See this, from since 1 2 3 4 5 trading sessions, it is giving the closing above the CPR levels. Means these are the signs of the trend reversal. From here you can consider this as a trend reversal, or the formation of a W pattern over here, as it has formed in the Nifty 50 also. From here it may go up eventually. Now what we need to see is, if the Bank Nifty starts trading above this level, above this closing, above this levels, see these levels. Okay, in the daily time frame we are seeing, we will be seeing it in the details in the smaller time frame. Above this level, eventually we can go for the long side trade, that is the CE side trade from here itself, with the not with the full quantity. Still we will not go with the full quantity, we will go with the half quantity only, as the we have decided that we will be trading with the full quantity on the buy side on after Bank Nifty crosses this level, that is the 40,000 level. If once the 40,150 level is crossed, we will go with the full quantity on the buy side. Okay, now tomorrow if the market opens, we will see it on the smaller time frames, and for tomorrow we will not see any put side trade. Put side we will not think. About bearish side we will not think at the sentiment, as the sentiments are positive. We will think on the long side only. Now let's go to the smaller time frame. Now see here, we will clear it first here, why these things are happening. Now see here, on the smaller time frame we can see that we'll go with the little more bigger time frame on the 15-minute chart. See this, market has given a move, opened a gap up, then gone down in this way, and you can see this is a U-type pattern formed over here. Eventually there was a heavy buying from this lower support. It took the lower support from the previous levels only, as we have decided. Okay, now what we can do tomorrow? For tomorrow, what we can do on 5-minute charts, we will see how we can trade tomorrow on the 5-minute chart. See this, If the market opens gap up and sustains above this 200 period moving average, this is a 200 period moving average, this pink line. If it sustains above 200 period moving average mark with a bullish candle, okay, we can initiate a call side trade from here itself for near about 80 to 100 points. With the half quantity only you should trade tomorrow on the day till unless and until 40,150 levels are crossed. Once the 40,050 levels are crossed, you can go with the full quantity. Initially we will get the targets up to here, this level, then the next level will be this, where you can book your targets, and the next level will be this, where you can book your target. Now these levels are 40,000, round level 40,000, psychological level it will be. And if this level is crossed with this very strong bullish candle from here, you can even get more cut targets also if the bank nifty becomes trending. And there are chances that the bank nifty will become trending and it may go till 40,000 430 levels also. Here somewhere you may get some nice profits also. There are chances. I think that I feel there is a strong feeling that the bank nifty may become trending tomorrow in the first half only. In this way you can trade. If the market opens gap down somewhere here or somewhere here or here, don't go for the put side trade tomorrow, because nifty is in the positive sentiments, considering that bank nifty also may not also go down. It may go sideways. If it doesn't want to go up, it may go sideways from here in the first half, and then it may go trending also. But if the positive sentiments are there at the early morning only, the bank nifty will start moving upwards only. Till in the first half only it will give you nice targets of 100, 120, 150 points also in the call option. Trade slightly out of the money option if you get the opening somewhere here at 39,600, 31,700 levels, slightly out of the money 39,800, 39,900 levels you can trade, and you can achieve nice profits over here. In this way you can trade bank nifty also, but don't go for the bearish trade, that is sell side trade tomorrow. For tomorrow at least. The next day we will see the next analysis for the next day tomorrow. So for tomorrow only make it a mark that if we will be trading in call side only, not in the put side. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like the analysis, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members, and subscribe it if you like to have some more videos like this. If you want me to give some stocks from the banking sector for tomorrow's trading or tomorrow's accumulation, I will just suggest you few stocks in the banking sector, because if the banking sector is to be going trending, the banks, the heavyweight banks should move trending only. The HDFC Bank is there, it has closed on the round level 1600 from here, and it has made a pattern, it has formed a pattern over here. From here this HDFC Bank may start moving upside. Then the second bank is the Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank has also given a breakout at the bottom level, at the support level with the heavy volumes. So Kotak Bank also will move upwards only. The Kotak Bank also you can accumulate. Then the next bank is Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda has given a nice breakout at the all-time high levels with a nice volumes. So Bank of Baroda also can be accumulated for 120, 125 levels. You can keep these 2-3 banks in your portfolio, not more than that. Even this Federal Bank is also very nice bank, but it is trading at the top, so I will not suggest this to have it in your portfolio. Then IDFC First is there, IDFC with a small investment, but volumes are not there in the IDFC First, so I will not suggest that also. One more stock, that is Chola Finance. Chola Finance is on the huge breakout levels. Chola Finance, you can take it. See this, we will see it on the bigger screen. You can keep this stock in your portfolio because it has given, see this, it's a huge breakout. See this, it's a huge breakout from this level, you can see, and it has given a closing above that. This trend is broken, closing is about that with a very strong candle. You will precisely, it may wait here, it will form up this pause candle, and from here it will start moving up because this is a huge breakout. If it sustains above this level, it will start moving up. You can have it in your portfolio, Chola Finance also. So if you like the analysis, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And for more videos, you can just click the links below given in the description box. Some of more stocks are also analyzed on the Diwali occasion, so from that stocks also, if few stocks are not on the upside, they can be accumulated and kept in your portfolio for the short term. I will be giving the links of particular videos in this in the description below, so have a look on that and have a look on the previous analysis also, how the analysis are working 100% and we are getting the 100% results. Thank you very much guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. Meet you tomorrow or meet you in the next video. Thank you.